Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So this is for water sign Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Take only what resonates. This is for you. Hopefully makarelate ka, makaresonate ka. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, huwag pilitin. Hindi para sa yung reading. May mga ibang makaka-relate dito. And i-check mo na lang yung ibang videos. Okay, this is love reading for water sign. Let's start your reading. Nine of Swords. King of Cups. Okay. The Hierophant. Kunin ko na rin sa side ng person mo, ha? For water sign. Sign ng person na kakonect mo. Spirit guides, angel guides. Okay. Yung person na kakonect mo, you do have the Nine of Wands, Seven of Swords, and the Empress. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Five of Pentacles. Ay, mali. Ibang card yung nakuha ko. Anyway, kukuha ko ng situation. I will be using this situation deck. Kung ano yung situation sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito. Situation sa inyong dalawa ng person ito for water sign, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, water sign. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, water sign, please. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of water sign. Okay. Ayan. Maraming salamat po. Water sign. You do have your threatened. Okay. I feel like I need to get one more. Clarify the threatened, please. For water sign. Okay, dalawang card yung lumabas. Escapade and hamster wheel. Okay. So, sa nakikita natin ngayon, I feel like you're not okay. Nasasaktan ka. Kasi, maybe there's a stressful situation para sa'yo. Or maybe, medyo hindi maganda yung nangyayari sa inyo ng person nito. And, you know what? There's this number 9 and number 9 then sa side ng person mo. And to me, it is showing us like, sa side ng person mo, it's like challenge, no? Challenge para sa kanya. Kung ano man yung mga ginagawa mo or hindi mo ginagawa ngayon. And yung iba naman sa inyo with the Nine of Swords, maybe, maybe you don't like to face this person for now. Parang gusto mong mag-focus sa King of Cups and the Hierophant, which is kung ano yung mga lesson na natututunan mo ngayon. Honestly, if you're dealing with your karma, mas pinofocusan mo yung karma mo, you know. You are trying to focus on yourself. Yung Hierophant kasi, Taurus energy, this is about learnings. This is something na parang pinaparanas ngayon sa'yo ng universe in order for you to learn, in order for you na mas makilala mo or matutunan mo yung mga dapat mong matutunan sa mundo or makilala mo kung ano ang sarili mo. And you do have here the hamster wheel. So, yung iba sa inyo, maybe it has something to do with the daily things na ginagawa mo ngayon. Maybe, you're not happy, you know. You're not happy with whatever things that you are doing right now. Okay, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate dito, maybe yung sa kaliwa ka, no? But anyway, dito yung side na kinukuha ko for water sign. So, this is you. I will say that this is you. Okay? Pero kung dito ka sa kabila, bahala ka na ilagay yung sarili mo sa sitwasyon. Anyway, so tinatry mo rin baguhin ang iyong sitwasyon, ang iyong sarili, etc. Yung person na ito, I'm seeing like with the Empress, this is a person who is continuing on loving his or herself, personality niya, ayan, tinatry niyang mahalin ang kanyang sarili. And I feel like mahalin yung kanyang sarili kasi, you know, with the Seven of Swords, may mga times na lumalayo or umiiwas itong person na ito sa'yo. Maybe because there are challenges or blockage sa connection ninyo na nagiging dahilan para itong person na ito is you do have your hideaway, so may magtago, lumayo, umiwas, ganyan. But I feel like hindi kayo nagiging honest sa isa't isa. Hindi kayo nagiging honest sa isa't isa. I want to know kung ano bang gusto mo mangyari sa connection ninyo. You do have here on the table. And ano namang gustong mangyari ng person nito sa connection ninyo. You do have your denial. And mutual energy. You do have your children and sold. So, ang nakikita natin dito, ang gusto mong mangyari is either magbigay ng proposal or maging committed dito sa person na to, or ikaw itong makatanggap ng proposal coming from this person. Okay? And maybe vice versa. Maybe you want to give a proposal to this person pero sa ngayon medyo impossible pa, especially if there are children involved in the situation. Ngayon yung person mo naman, ang gusto niya mangyari, you do have your denial. And medyo naiinis siya or naiirita siya sa ganun that both of you needs to deny everything na may kinalaman sa connection ninyo or maybe even your emotions. So, sa ngayon, honestly, hindi niya alam kung ano yung gusto niyang mangyari but rather naiinis lang siya regarding sa connection ninyo, sa mga hindi kayo nagiging totoo sa sarili niyo. You know, you're dealing with a person na parang ayaw niya ng nagsisinungaling sa sarili niya. Ayaw niya maging fake. And ayaw din niya na nagsisinungaling ka sa kanya and ayaw din niya na nagiging fake ka sa kanya. You know what I mean? Ayaw niya na ganun. So, medyo naiinis siya dun sa part na yun. And hindi niya rin naman alam kung anong gusto niyang mangyari for now. But, you know, I feel like more like gusto niya lang rin, katulad mo, na magkaroon ng physical connection sa inyong dalawa. So, if ever there's a spiritual connection na nangyayari sa inyo, gusto niyang magkaroon ng pagbabago regarding dito. Okay? Especially the drastic is here. So, it's like, pagtapos ng ganitong klaseng connection, ayoko ng ganito, parang ganun yung person mo, no? So, ano yung emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? Please tell me, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides, emotions nitong mga water signs sa isa't isa. Anong emotions? You do have here the High Priestess and the Page of Cups, okay? Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. The King of Wands and the Six of Wands and the Four of Swords. Ayan. Mutual energy. Kukunin natin yan. I can see here Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Hindi ko ito kukunin masyadong marami. Okay. So, you do have your waves. So, ayan, emotions, going, coming. So, alam mo yung nakikita natin dito, katulad ng isang alon, ano, bago-bago, may high tide, may low tide. May time na malakas ang alon. So, it has something to do with your emotions. May pabago-bago din. May times na malungkot, may times na parang sobrang mahal na mahal mo itong taong to. Both of you, this is mutual energy, especially with the entrapment. So, yung money yung nakikita ko dito, and maybe it has something to do with the physical world na nabubuhay or kinalalagyan ninyo ngayon, no? And maybe some of you may mga insecurities regarding money. And I don't know which side is that. Hindi ko alam kung sa side mo or sa side niya. But definitely there's insecurities pagdating sa money. And you do have here the High Priestess and the Page of Cups. Yeah, especially kung you are dealing with a person na very spiritually connected kayo. Mahal mo siya. Kung spiritually connected kayo. Alam mo yan eh. Mahal mo tong taong to. But also, yung iba sa inyo, yeah, maybe you are trying to face reality. The lesson that you are having right now. Whether it's a person or situation, pwedeng tinatry mong mahalin or tanggapin or i-appreciate kung ano yung mga meron ka ngayon. But I see this as a lesson. Some of you, karmic relationship, yan, sa iba. Okay? So, itong person na ito is tinatry niyang tanggapin. May acceptance sa kung ano man yung connection ninyo. Six of Wands is person wants, happy ending sa inyong dalawa. But with the King of Wands, I feel like tinatry niyang i-handle ang kanyang emotions. Kumbaga, hindi naman na tayo bata. You know what I mean? Yung parang sa isip-isip niya, hindi ako dapat maapektuhan kung ikaw ay nagiging cold sa akin or what. You know what I mean? Yung person na ito, tinatry niyang maging, although may emotion siya para sa'yo, tinatry niyang wag pansinin yan. Wag maging emotionally, ayaw niya maging emotionally fragile dito sa connection na ito. Okay? So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? This is for water sign in the near future. The Fool is here, the Ten of Cups, and the Eight of Swords. Clarify the Eight of Swords. Knight of Cups. And the near future for you, water sign. Page of Swords, King of Pentacles, and the Ten of Swords. Why is the Ten of Swords here? Three of Wands is here. Judgment is at the bottom of the deck. Gossip, Verge, and Lockbox. Okay. In the future, nakikita natin na I feel like no one is going, no one can stop you from something na gusto mong gawin. No one can stop you. The Eight of Swords, I'm seeing you getting out of a situation na parang hindi ka masaya, hindi mo talaga gusto. With the Knight of Cups, I can see possible offer in the future. Yan. And, I like this kasi nagsimula tayo sa learning. Pero at the end, you do have the Judgment at the bottom of the deck. Ito yung pagkatuto. Because of something na natutunan mo sa buhay mo. Or something na dumating sa'yo. Maybe situation, maybe connection. Na parang alam mong hindi masyadong nag-work out sa'yo. I can see the Death card, which is, this is an ending regarding doon sa lesson na yon sa buhay mo. Of course, it will be very painful para, para sa'yo. Or some of you, this could be very painful. With some people in your life as well. Pero, the gossip is here. So, maybe, yung friends mo, or someone in your life, can help you na mailabas ang inner desire or yung talagang gusto mo sa sarili mo at mailabas kung ano talaga yung situation mo and pwedeng makatulong sila in order for you na makaalis dyan. Okay, sa situation na yan. Anyway, the Three of Wands is here. So, this is with regards to your person. With the Ten of Swords, meron tayong ending na nakikita sa kanya. Kung may ending sa'yo, may ending din sa person na ito. Well, I can see you being happy, by the way, with the Ten of Cups in the future. Tell me about this. King of Swords, Four of Pentacles, and the Justice card. Yeah. Kasi pwedeng makuha mo talaga kung ano yung mga bagay na gustong makuha. And, pagdating sa person mo, there's an ending here. Pero it's like an ending para sa kanya na masaya din siya. Dahil kung ano man yung mga matatapos, may bagong paparating. I can see your person saying goodbye to something. Parang nawala or I feel like it has something to do with mga tao na aalis sa buhay niya. And this person is saying goodbye to these people. Yeah, there's a communication, happy communication in the end sa inyong dalawa. Okay, marami kayong matututunan sa bawat isa. Ayan. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.